Today we are going to see how to create a webhook in GitHub. So basically a webhook is something that will trigger an event or an alert to another web application. So for example, if you want to have a CI check or some kind of linting done or some analysis through SonarQube, so you can have a webhook in GitHub so that whenever there is a commit, uh, there will be an alert sent to the other app or a Jenkins job, and that will in turn check and do its stuff and then update it back. So that's what basically a webhook is. And what we're going to do is we are going to create a webhook for Jenkins. All right. So this is the Jenkins instance. It's on my local host. I've exposed it using ngrok. Right, so this is the link that we need to use. You can watch another tutorial I have created for ngrok. There's other options like Servio also. Alright, so once you are in GitHub, you need to access your repository. Okay, and so I already have an account in GitHub and this is my repo. And what I'm going to do is just go in here, go into settings. First you go into your repo, then you go into settings. Right, so once you go into your settings, on the left side you're going to see webhooks, right? And over here you see I already have a webhook. So a green tick mark is a good sign. If you have a red tick mark, that means it's not able to access the webhook, right? Or the API that you have configured for it. So anyway, so what we're going to do is we're just going to add this. All right, and then we're going to do web, just add github slash webhook. Right, if you have another API that you have created, you just need to enter the path for the API, and what it does, it sends a post request to that API. And once you do this, you just need to go and select application JSON, so the content would be sent in JSON format. You can leave this blank. All right, and you have an option to select what kind of events you want to send it on, or you can send everything. In our case, we just want to configure it for the push event whenever there is a commit, but you have an option of selecting multiple events like branch creation or deletion. uh, Anyone creating a label, you need to be alerted. So you have these options as well if someone creates a milestone, something like that. But we don't want that, we just want it on the commit, right? And then we just click add hook, that's it. So once you do this, you will see this, and this should go green. All right, so let's refresh the page, and that's a good sign. So we have added a webhook, and now whenever we do any commit, it's going to send it to the Jenkins job. I hope this helps. Thanks. Bye.